my YouTube subscribers. Recently, I was introduced to a frying pan that I may include in my cook kit. This is it here. It's a non-stick. It has no name, so can't help you out on that. But my wife brought it home, and for cooking square eggs, that's actually the shape of a piece of bread. I'm gonna do a demonstration, but mine, I had to call the boss in because I didn't have the technique down like she does. But anyway, let me start the video and you take a look at it, okay? This is low. Yeah, I couldn't keep it nice and square. I wanted to keep it nice and square. It was all right though.
Too much butter.
Too much butter? Well, now I could just put it on the plate. Okay. There's your egg over there. See the handle, you gotta fix it on right like that.
Hold it, handle.
Throw it in the garbage over here. fire too hot?
No, I think it's okay. More than outside.
It won't have no sound either, don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it didn't work like that for me. Not quite.
It'll get cooked now. You can cut it off. Cut the fire off.
Just put it on top of it. Just put it on top of the bread over there. Then they can, I want them to see that it's square.
You need to get a better plate.
Well, this demo.
It's all cooked. So should I put it?
Put it on top. No, put it right on top of this piece of bread. There we go. Thank you. Okay, now that you've seen the video, you notice we did have a little trouble with the handle. I brought in the LiteMax, the Snow Peak LiteMax. It only has 3 prongs on it. And I should have brought my Gigapower, which has 4 prongs. It would have been a little better. But nevertheless, any frying pan with the handle is going to give you a little issue. Now, I hadn't decided whether I'll take this screw off here and do away with the handle and then use something like this to grip it and move it around. Now, Mike P. Hiker, my hiking buddy, he has a non-stick Tangia that is round, about the same size, and he uses it fairly successful to fry his meat and various in the Spam, just like you saw in the video we did. But he's been successful with it. But the handle bothers me. I'm not sure. I know if I went with this would fit right in here. Of course, I'd protect this coating. But, you know, it don't have a name. It was bought at an Oriental store here in Atlanta. Nam de Moon, okay. $3.49 at Nam de Moon. I was practicing my Korean. It's not that good anymore, but because I don't need it. But anyway, and the other thing, it being no name, I'm not sure. It's probably toxic as all get out. But that's one thing about when you get old, at my age. I'm almost 78 now, but we can look toxic right in the face. There was one more thing I wanted to talk about. This LiteMax, this Snow Peak LiteMax that I was so enthused about when I first got them. But, you know, in my previous videos, this screw comes loose from opening and closing these. Well, guess what? Right after the demonstration, this wing fell off right here. And I did a screenshot. I'll show it to you. But there's a little rivet. I think I can put it back and then take a punch and put it back on there. But, you know, you don't need to deal with stuff like that when you're out on the trail. What you going to do if you're way away from civilization and you're going to have a broke wing or this screw fell out and you'll be eating cold food until you got to town somewhere. Anyway, very disappointed in this. And I was so happy when I originally got it that I bought 2 of them. Oh, man, what a big mistake. I wouldn't do it again. All right, this is what it looks like without the handle. It's got a little thing there. That's riveted on there, so I can't remove that. But with that off, and then using this as a handle, probably would be better than trying to place it on the on those prongs where you got to place it exactly right. Otherwise, the handle's going to cause it to fall off. So I think I might go with it like this.